Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Java coding step by step. Start by installing the JDK and setting your path, then write a Hello World program to verify setup. Next, explore basic types, loops, and methods while practicing small exercises. Use an IDE to step through code and learn debugging. Build tiny projects to apply concepts and reinforce learning in practical, hands-on ways. Focus on core concepts that form every Java program. Begin with variables, data types, and operators to understand how information is stored and manipulated. Practice control flow with if statements and loops to shape program behavior. Then learn methods and basic object-oriented ideas like classes and objects to organize code. Work on exercises that combine these topics so you build confidence through repeated, practical practice and small real-world examples. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated during long coding sessions with the Owala water bottle. It's practical and fun to use. Check the description for the product link and other deals I mentioned so you can grab one if you want. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Practice consistently with short, focused tasks to make steady progress. Solve problems on coding sites and time yourself to build speed and accuracy. Learn to use a debugger so you can inspect variables, set breakpoints, and understand program flow. Build small projects such as calculators or file readers to connect theory to practice. Share code with peers for feedback and iterate on projects to deepen understanding and grow your skill set over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.